Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add existing domain to Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So right now I'm going to adding my domain from Namecheap account. So here's I'm in my Namecheap account and I'm in domain list and I'm searching for that domain which I'm going to adding to my Shopify. So here's the domain. So I'm clicking on manage next to the domain. And here search for name servers option. So once you get it, click on this drop down and from here select Namecheap basic DNS and then go to advanced DNS section. And here you'll find this DNS templates option. So click on this drop down and from here select Shopify and click on this little green icon to save and click on continue and scroll down and here you'll find these two options. Now go to your Shopify admin panel and go to settings and select domains and click on connect existing domain. And now here I'm putting my domain name and then clicking on next and simply click on verify connection. And here you can see I've successfully added domain to my Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.